My brother.
So, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. And you?
I'm great.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you hear me? Can you see me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Wonderful, wonderful. So your name is Khan,
My name is Sultan Khan.
Sultan Khan.
Yes.
And what does it mean? What does Sultan mean?
Sultan basically means a king in Arabic.
Ah, oh, you are Arabic.
I'm not an Arab, but I live in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
I'm I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, okay. And you live in Saudi Arabia with your family?
Yes.
Okay, my brother. And how's Saudi? How long have you been living in Saudi?
It has been 1 year.
1 year, okay. And how is it so far? Do you like it? You don't like it? How do you feel?
No, it's great.
It's
It is
great.
a
Uh-huh.
wonderful experience,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
everything is perfect over here.
Okay.
I'm enjoying living in this country.
Wonderful. Wonderful. All right, my brother. So I can see here that you have used 137 minutes on Cambly. So
Yes.
when did you start using Cambly?
Actually, I started 1 year ago. I took classes for 3 months
Okay.
and then I left.
Okay, so what's the reason for you to start and leave? Have you been busy with work? What's the reason?
Actually, recently my family joined me, so I got busy. I didn't have time.
Okay.
So that is the reason I took classes and fits and starts, you can say.
Yeah, yeah. No, man, I'm really happy for you that your family is able to be with you, especially in this time with the whole coronavirus.
Yes,
No, yeah, it's
exactly.
very difficult. So no, that's good. That's good. So you're an English teacher. Okay. So what is an English teacher doing on Cambly? What are you trying to get?
Practicing English.
Just to practice your speaking skills.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
All right, that's good. Well, welcome, welcome. Uh, so yeah, my
A
name
lot.
is Tabiso, which
Happy.
means yes, Tabiso, uh, which means happiness. Okay.
Oh, great. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I have been on Cambly now for like 1 year, 1 year, 8 years, wait, 8 months, sorry. 1 year, 8 months.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Sorry?
So, what is the origin of this word, Tabiso?
Oh, okay. So Tabiso is a South African language, a South African word that comes from a
Okay.
South African language, which is the first
Hmm.
language I learned, which is Sesotho. Sesotho.
This is the name of the language.
This is the name of a language. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. One of the languages that are
Hmm.
that are in South Africa. South Africa has 11 official languages. Yeah. South Africa has 11 official
11
languages.
official language.
Yeah, my brother. English is one of them. English is
Wow.
English is one of them. So like we learn in English, we speak in English. Most of our music, our songs, entertainment, a lot of things
Hmm.
are in English.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So, you are basically from South Africa.
I am from South Africa. Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah,
you are living in
yeah.
right now. Where are you?
Right now, I'm in South Africa, in Johannesburg. I study
Okay.
part time. I study and work. Sorry, on Cambly. I am studying
Okay. Great.
aeronautical engineering. I'm studying
Hmm.
aeronautical. Uh, I study
Okay.
Yeah,
Aeronautical engineering. Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah.
these days you are going to university or college, or
Well,
you
I am
are
done. I am now waiting for my final year results. I am waiting for my final year results because of I am
Mhm.
finished with my exam. I am finished with my project. So now I am just waiting to see to get my results. They're taking some time, but yeah.
Okay. And I believe that Johannesburg is the capital of South Africa, right?
The capital? No,
No?
no, no, no. No,
No?
no, no,
Okay.
no, no. South Africa has three capitals. Three.
Why is that so?
Why is that the
Because
case?
everywhere we have one official language, one capital. Why South Africa has multiple languages, official languages, and capital as well?
I mean, it's the culture, right? It's the diversity that was here before it was colonized by the British, by the European. So before South Africa was
Mhm.
colonized by the British, it had different tribes. It had different
Okay.
tribes. So these different tribes have their own languages. Some of them are very, very similar to other languages. So, for example, Sutu and Zulu and Venda are like so different to each other. But there are other languages
Okay.
that are similar to Zulu, other languages that are similar to Sutu. So,
Mhm.
like they are derivatives. They're derivatives. So,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So what happens? What happens is that when South Africa was colonized, when South Africa was
Mhm.
colonized, it tried to, English became a main language, and then after when South Africa got their freedom, they try to make sure that each culture is recognized. You know, they try to
Okay.
make sure that each culture is recognized to not cause fights, to not cause
Mhm.
some fights. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So how many languages do you know?
Well, I know English, I know
Okay.
Sutu, I know Zulu, I know a little bit of Afrikaans, and I know
Mhm.
Pedi. But Pedi is very similar to Sutu, so it doesn't count. It doesn't count for me.
And what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue, my brother is Sesotho. Sesotho. So
Uh, let me pronounce it. Susuthu,
see,
right?
see,
Si,
yeah, Sesotho.
Sisuthu.
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So this is the
Mhm.
language that I first learned how to speak,
Learn.
and then
Mhm.
what happened was I went to an English school. I went to an English school, and I, started learning English from that school. But now I speak English all the time. I speak English
Okay.
all the time. I am always speaking English 90%. I can read, I can write in English. I can't actually read
Mhm.
and write in Afrikaans. I mean, in Sesotho. Uh,
Mhm.
Basically, English is like my main language. English
Great.
is my main language.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, do you think those who can speak English in South Africa, they have an advantage, they have an edge
I mean,
over
in
others?
South Africa, Sutu is like a given, right? Everybody knows
Mhm.
English. My grandparents know English. My grandmother knows English. My grandfather knows English.
Okay.
My mom, my dad knows English well. I know English. So it's like this for many families. So it's not seen like, oh my gosh, you can speak English. You are very valuable. No, it's not like that. English is a native language
Okay.
here. English is really a native language. So as even though there are so many other languages, but English is a main
Mhm.
native language. It's very rare to come across someone who does not know English. If somebody does not know how to
Okay.
speak English, they probably can hear, they can understand. So it's very, very rare
Hmm.
to meet someone that does not know English.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
got
you
you.
got it. Yeah, so English is important. English is important. And if you want to get bigger opportunities, you have to go to university, right? You have to go to university. You have to
Mhm.
work hard. You have to study. You have to try your best to make money, to work. That's the best way. That is really, really the best way.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
The country where I belong to,
Uh-huh.
they, you can say, almost worship this language.
They worship English.
They,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So you can speak English.
Hmm.
So people will think that you are very educated,
Okay,
intelligent,
okay.
intellectual.
Yeah, yeah.
However, if you can
Uh-huh.
English, so people consider you illiterate.
Ah, I see. I see. I see. Okay. Okay. It makes a lot of sense.